Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise to ask question 111/2015, raised under my name. The question is raised to ask the Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport. Qoma is an island accessible only by sea to not only to its occupants but also to neighboring islands in the Lomaiviti group. Can the Minister inform the House whether the government has any intention of building a jetty or small landing in Qoma to cater for residents, school children and visitors to and from the island? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport.
Madam Speaker, this government has got a lot of intentions. But for this subject matter, Madam Speaker, there is no immediate plan to build a jetty or a landing. For 2015, the FRA has already drawn up their program, and as all the honourable members are aware, that the bridges, roads and jetties comes under Fiji Roads Authority. However, Madam Speaker, the Commissioner Central's office has confirmed that there is some discussion on the jetty, the repair works for the crossing, and also there has been some request from the villagers that they would also like to have a construction of a seawall, which is being also looked into. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.